Welcome to DelfStack. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the language in Duolingo. To change the language, first open the Duolingo app. Tap on the flag icon in the top left corner. Here you will see the languages you are currently learning. Tap on the plus icon to add or switch to another language. Scroll down until you find the FERC options and choose a language you are familiar with. For example, if you want to change the language to Arabic, tap on For Arabic Speakers. Select any course you want to learn, then tap on Continue. Confirm by tapping on Change to Arabic, and your language will be updated automatically. And that's it. We opened Duolingo, selected a new course, and changed the app language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.